think that's an important issue, Chris. And I think it's in these types of environments where there's, I pray, a maturity to say, I can turn loose of having my name on a tool. There was a day and time in early CPM efforts where different ones of us were inventing tools that we thought would work, and then we'd go try them out. And then that tool is precious because I created that tool, you know? And I kind of get a little bit upset when someone starts tweaking my tool, you know? But I remember there was a day and time where I had to just die to my tools. To say, it's about the principles, the biblical principles, and if your tool is better than mine, then let's use that one. That's a maturity issue in terms of leadership. And I think you are right that at this level, we should be talking about the biblical principles, never neglecting to get specific again, but having the maturity to say, hey, are we missing something here with our tools and violating some of the biblical principles because we've been holding so tightly onto this tool or this way of doing things? I think that yesterday's discussion of Oikos was great. Because I think that was a chance for you to back up and say, what are the biblical principles? Now, how can we encourage some new implementations that might address some of those principles?